Transform your videos from silent films to captivating audio experiences with Capcut's incredible text-to-speech feature. First, open your Capcut project and tap the text icon, select Add Text and type out the words you want your video to speak, position, and style your text overlay as you normally would for your video. Once your text is ready and on the timeline, tap on the text layer, look for the text-to-speech option in the menu that pops up, give that a tap to unlock a world of voice possibilities. Now, you'll see a list of available voices, browse through them, from friendly and conversational to professional and authoritative. Tap on any voice to hear a preview and find the perfect fit for your video's tone. But it doesn't stop at just picking a voice. You can further customize the speech. Look for options to adjust the speaking speed, making it faster or slower, and even tweak the pitch to give it a unique character. Experiment to get that exact delivery you're after. Once you've made your selections, tap the check mark, and Capcut will generate the audio for your text. You'll see the audio track appear on your timeline, perfectly synced with your text. You can even split or adjust this audio track like any other sound in your project. And there you have it. You've just added professional sound voiceovers to your video with Capcut's text-to-speech. This feature is a game changer for tutorials, vlogs, presentations, and so much more. Happy creating!